Hello, my name is Miguel for the Mobile 757, doing a no crank, no start on this Ford Taurus. If you can get a hold of your starter and you have a piece of metal and you have a hammer or something you could beat on, there's the solenoid right there. I'm going to beat on it and let's see if the car actually starts. The car wouldn't start at first. Go ahead. Voila. I'm going to cut it off. And voila, the car started right up. This is just a mechanic tip. Everybody does what they do different. I do what I do for the last 35 years to keep my customers on the road. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.